If you could pick just one thing to eat for the rest of your life, what would it be? I don't know about you, but I'd want something sustaining yet delicious. Well, with this recipe, not only do you get both, but it's also got the bling you're looking for to turn heads at the breakfast table. Today's recipe, coconut banana pancakes. Let's start with 1 cup of your favorite pancake mix. Any pancake mix will do. And then, just under 1 cup of water. And before you ask, are we really making pancakes out of a box? Just keep watching, because these aren't normal pancakes. These are the pancakes your mom warned you about. And they start with a little bit of honey. 2 tablespoons to be exact. Oh yeah, drizzle that honey right into that batter. And then, don't forget to lick the spoon. Let's get a skillet nice and hot, and we're going to drop in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. While that's melting, we're going to slice up a couple of bananas, about 1 per pancake. By now, the coconut oil's ready. It's time to pour in half the batter. And then, lay those banana slices down by gently pressing them in. It's important to get all the banana down before the batter starts to cook through, and those bubbles mean we're getting there. What I love about frying these cakes in coconut oil is how crispy the outside gets, while adding that hint of coconut flavor. Yum! And it's always a good idea to take a peep under the hood. Oh yeah, she's looking nice. Time to flip. That beautiful golden color is the stuff that dreams are made of. And when those bananas are done caramelizing in that pan, it literally smells like heaven. But just wait, we're just getting started. Let's get a little bit of butter on these beauties and let that start to melt while we go chop some roasted pecans. Now, it's time to marry those chopped pecans with that melted butter. And some of you might not be into this sort of thing, but toasted coconut is delicious here in this threesome. Give it a try. Tell us what you think. And finally, real maple syrup, the kind that comes straight out of the sugar maple tree. So don't be shy. We've come this far. We might as well go all the way. Oh yeah. When you take a bite of that crispy cake with those warm caramelized bananas inside and get that crunch of the pecans and toasted coconut, that real maple syrup I'm using is literally just icing on the cake. As always, thanks for watching.